Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are fine, and today I'm gonna share with you a really easy lip scrub to brighten your lips. But before I start the remedy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right beside it. And if you like my content, so please do like this video, share my content and comment. So today I'm gonna share with you a really easy lip scrub that you can make at home to brighten and exfoliate your lips at home instantly. So for this lip scrub, you're going to take a bowl with a spoon and add quarter teaspoon of almond oil in this bowl, just this much. And then we are going to add quarter teaspoon of sugar in this bowl. And then we are going to add quarter teaspoon of rose water in it. It would be just this much. And now we are gonna mix this all together nicely. So I'm making this lip scrub just for one-time use, and every time you're going to use it, you have to make a new one. So that every time you make it, it's fresh and all the ingredients are fresh, so they would work more nicely. And now that our mixture is ready, so now what I'm going to do is dip my fingers inside this mixture and put the ball below my lips and rub it gently onto my lips for 2 to 3 minutes. So this mixture is really sweet and you can also eat it because it's made of organic things. But I'm not gonna eat it, obviously it's a scrub. So now that I have massaged this mixture onto my lips, so I'm gonna let this mixture sit onto my lips for 10 minutes and then I'll come back. So I have left the mixture onto my lips for 10 minutes and now I'm gonna wash my lips with mild cold water. So I have washed my face and applied a little bit moisturizer, and you can see now my lips are looking more brighter pinkish in color and more plump than before, and are also exfoliated deeply. So you can do this scrub massage onto your lips after every 2 days, but every time you do it, you have to make sure that you're making a new scrub, and that is why I use little quantities of all the things so that it would be enough for just one-time use. So this is the easy remedy of a lip scrub by which you can brighten and plump your lips at home instantly. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video and get any benefit from it, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon right beside it, and like this video, share my content and comment. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.